finally, you got your pocket for na. And I know what you're thinking. What accessories do you actually need? Kakaunti pa lang yung 4P specific stuff. These are what I found and actually use. Number 1 is my favorite, the SmallRig 6003. You can mount it almost anywhere. Huge deal ang magnets niya all over. The built-in tripod or stand, and it has weight that counters the heavy head of the 4P. Number 2, and this one is kind of a hack. If you had a Pocket 3, yung battery handle it fits the 4P. The 4P drains fast on the gimbal, but with the latest firmware, I think there's an improvement naman. Number 3 are the ND filters. These are magnetic. I use the ND16 or 32 most days para we can follow the 1/50 shutter rule kahit tanghaling tapat. Number 4, ito isa ko pang favorite, the Sunny Life protective cover. It wraps the gimbal, lenses, and that flip screen. Honestly, yun kasi yung unang masisira because 4P has a lot of moving parts. This is also my go-to minimalist light setup. It somewhat eliminates yung jiggling ng gimbal. Number 5, the Tilta storage bag. It's a proper storage bag. Kasha dito, the 4P, the filters, cables, battery, all in one. It's quite heavy. It protects your gear from rain and dust habang nakastore sa bag. Number 6, this tiny Ulanzi tripod base. You just set it down, bubukas yung legs nga. Pick it up, it snaps into hand grip. Very minimalist. It's a bit wobbly, but it serves its purpose. And last but not the least, the Anker Nano 45 watts power bank. My favorite go-to fast charging power bank. And the cable's built in so wala kang makakalimutan. I've had this a while and it's very light. And from the combo box, ginagamit ko talaga yung mga included. The thin light, the Mic Mini 2, frame cap, and a handle with quarter thread. So remember to buy only what you need and okay lang ang alternatives. All items na na-mention ko kanina ay nasa description. So follow and see you around!